So if your videos are still struggling on YouTube and you're getting low views on your videos and you are not getting subscribers at the same time, you are not getting enough traffic on your channel, that could be from your YouTube settings. It could be that you have set up your YouTube studio to the wrong audience and your videos are being directed to the wrong audience on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 YouTube settings that you need to go to your YouTube studio now and fix for YouTube to start pushing your videos to the right people on YouTube. I did that on my previous channel and my video started performing better on YouTube. So whatever I'm going to share with you in this video are something that has worked for me and I believe it will also work for you. So let's go straight to my YouTube studio and then do that. Now, if you're using the YouTube Studio app, you might not be able to have access to all these features. So if you want to have access to this feature, then on your phone, go to your Chrome browser and type studio.youtube.com and link your account to your YouTube Studio. If you already have the app, it will ask you to continue to app or continue. Don't click on continue to app, just click on continue to studio and then it will take you to the dashboard, the desktop version dashboard. So here we are going to scroll down to the bottom here and click on settings here. Now these are 5 things that you feel they are small things or they are nothing, but they make huge difference. So click on channel here. We are going to set our country of residence. A lot of new YouTubers make mistake because they want their video to be in a particular region. Now, when you set a particular region for your channel and you get to monetization and you are not in that resident or you are not staying in that region, how will you be able to provide the necessary information to monetize? So after they do that and they get to monetization, then they start struggling. So make sure your residence is always the right one where you are currently residing. Now here you need to enter your channel keywords. It's very important because it helps YouTube to link your channel to the right audience and also index your channel in the right place on YouTube. It's just like a library. What is your channel about? So this particular channel is about YouTube growth. So if you don't even know any keywords at all to type here, just go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT with this prompt. Give me 20 keywords for my YouTube growth channel. And ChatGPT is going to give you the keywords. If you want me to share this simple prompt with you, go to the comment section and type share the prompt with me. And I'm going to share a link to this prompt with you so that you can copy it and then use it. Just fix in your channel, what your channel niche or what your channel is about. And ChatGPT will give you enough tags that you're going to use. So here I'm going to copy the first tag like this. You cannot copy all together and paste it. It will not work that way. So you need to do it one after the other. So I'm going to split the page for you to see. So here is the first tag. I'm going to copy it like this. Then bring my keyword here and paste it. Then copy the next one, paste it. Right click on it like this, click on copy, then right click here and paste. That's what I'm doing here. But I'm using the shortcut key. That is why you're not seeing the right click and the left click on it. Now paste, then do the next one. This shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes. So if you don't have enough time to think about the keywords, just ask ChatGPT to do that for you. Now these keywords are keywords that are related to your channel and YouTube is able to know what your channel is about or able to understand what your channel is about and what your content is about. So let me quickly do this and show you what I have done so far. So we are done. Easy, right? So now let's expand our page and let me show you the rest of the settings that you need to do. Now the next thing you need to do is to bring your cursor here on the second category. That's the advanced settings. Click on it like this. Now, the first thing we have here is audience. Who are you creating the video for? Are you creating it for kids? Are you creating it for adults? Or it is mixed content? If your channel is not kids related, click on no. Set this channel not made for kids. But if it's related to kids, click on yes, it's made for kids. But if it's not made for kids, click on this. If your channel is a mixed content, both adults and kids, then you click on I want to review these settings for every video. Now, this is the mistake a lot of new YouTubers make. They always click on I want to review these settings every day. Even though they know that this video, that their content is not kids related, they are adult videos. Why do you want to review this all the time? So make sure you click on no, it's not made for kids if you know that the videos you're making are not related to kids. If you choose kids, YouTube will limit the video visibility to adults and always expose it to kids alone. So how would YouTube get to know that these are kids watching? YouTube use search history. There are some accounts that anytime they come on YouTube, they are only looking for children's video, baby shark and the rest videos. And so whenever you come on YouTube with that account, only those type of videos will be shown to that person. Now, kids video don't make so much revenue because advertisers knows that kids don't have that purchasing power to buy anything. So video adverts are hardly put on kids videos. So if you set your channel for kids, that means you're not going to get enough views on your videos, because even when the kids see it or these children see it, they will know that these videos are not for them. So they will not even click on it. And that will also limit your revenue that you make on YouTube. So make sure you automatically click on no, it is not made for kids, or this channel is not set for kids. But if you put it on review, that means that always you have to review. And a lot of people forget to review it, and then they publish their video, and then their video end up in the hands of wrong people. Now let's move on to the next thing. Now the next setting that you need to check is to allow viewers to clip your content. Check this particular box. Make sure it is on like this. The reason why you need to allow people to clip your content is creators use this clip and remix it as short automatically. Because this clip or those shorts were clipped from your video, it will be linked to your long form video on YouTube, and people might click on that link to view your video. When you allow viewers to clip part of your content to use it as short, it will expose your video or give your video much exposure, and that will start giving you more views. So make sure this button is always checked, it's always on, so that automatically people can clip part of your video and use it as short. And you know YouTube is promoting short heavily, so any video that is published as short end up getting more views on YouTube. And you know the advantage of that is linking to your long form video. So make sure this box is always ticked or is enabled, and when you do this, your channel is set for business. YouTube will start promoting the video and pushing the video into the hands of the right people. Which of these settings have you done yet, and which of them are you yet to do? You can share that with us in the comment section, and also leave a beautiful comment for me. That's the only way you can motivate me. Now, if you want to get more views on YouTube, watch this video that is popping up right now. Click on it and go and watch that video. Until then, I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye bye.